Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to put TikTok filters on photos quickly and easily. Whether you want to enhance a selfie, create a stylish pose, or give your pictures a unique look, TikTok makes it simply to apply filters before sharing. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and tap the plus button at the top of the screen. Next, tap Upload and select the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Once your photo is loaded into the editor, tap the filters option on the right side or at the bottom of the screen, depending on your app version. Browse through the available filter categories and tap on a filter to preview how it looks on your photo. If you find one you like, you can adjust its intensity by using the slider if that option is available. You can also add effects, text, stickers, or music to further customize your photo before posting. Once you're happy with the final result, tap Next. Write a caption if you like, adjust your privacy settings, and tap Post to share your edited photo. If you don't want to post it right away, you can save it as draft if your app version supports that feature. And that's it. That's how you can put TikTok filters on photos. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.